ticket to anywhere. Maybe we'll make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. I've been working at the convenience store. Managed to save a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs. Finally see what it means to be living. You got a fast car. Fast enough so we can fly away. We gotta make a decision. Leave tonight and die this way. So I remember we were driving a car. Speed so fast, felt like I was drunk. City lights stay out before. City on film nights wrapped around my shoulder. I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling that I'd be said his body's too old for working. His body's too young to talk like his mama went off and left him. She wanted more from life than he could give. I said somebody's got to take care of him. So I quit school and that's what I did. He got a fast car. We go cruising, entertain ourselves. We still ain't got a job. Not working the market as a checkout girl. I know things will get better. You'll find